Yes, you can often bring back a rigid caulk tube so it behaves like new by trimming the cured portion and fitting a fresh nozzle with an airtight seal. Start by cutting the tube just below the hardened tip using a sharp utility knife so the remaining bead of material is soft and continuous. Remove any cured residue from the cut edge by rotating a small file or the knife lightly around the opening to get a clean circular bore. Fit a replacement nozzle designed for retrofit use, such as Tubanu, which slips over or onto the trimmed end and creates a new precision tip for bead control. For extra airtightness, wrap the junction with a layer of quality packing tape or plumber tape so the nozzle cannot draw air into the cartridge as pressure is applied. Before committing to a job, test the flow by dispensing a short bead onto scrap material and check for smoothness, consistent volume, and proper curing behavior. If the tube still shows intermittent glugging or hardened plugs appear, transfer the remaining material into a new standard cartridge using a cartridge transfer tool or by cutting the original tube longer and using an adapter to fit a caulking gun. Common mistakes include cutting too far down and wasting usable caulk. Avoid this by trimming only until you reach uniform soft material and test the opening before replacing the tip. Another issue is an imperfect seal between the retrofit nozzle and the tube, which causes air infiltration and clogged flow. Solve this by wrapping the junction with tape and seating the nozzle firmly until resistance indicates a tight fit. A third problem is failing to remove cured fragments from the bore, which can cause uneven beads. Remedy this by cleaning the edge with a small file or twisting a narrow pick through the opening until smooth, then performing a test bead to confirm consistency. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place for practical how-to discussions about home restoration and repair. We host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share tips like nozzle retrofits and transfer techniques to rescue partially used caulk tubes.